this lesson, we are going to add icon list. So icon list is a great way for you to add a list of items. Maybe, let's say you want to create a menu. Okay, you can create this chicken. It's going to create a little menu here. And we're going to put in pizza. And what else? I'm going to put in some burgers. You can link this items, each item to have a specific link where you want them to go. When I click on there, you notice that it has that. And you can also make the URL here, add an image to it. So let's leave this the basic right now, okay? And let's put this back up. The layout and the icon, we'll get to that. You can have it a list or you can have it inline like this. So let's have it a list. So we have this here. I'm just gonna copy and copy. And let's click on apply. Okay, so now we did this before where we added the column. So let's just add a column, okay? Add this row, add another. Matter of fact, let's do this. Let's add element, add a column, which we did this before, and we're gonna keep just 2 for now. So let's click here, add icon list. That's our first list, apply. Add another one. Apply. And then for this top part here, we can make this, let's go back here. Let's add another element. And we're going to use the heading we just used before. Let's say lunch list for today. Apply. And I'm just going to drag this up. All right, drag it up again. So now we have the lunch list for today. It's like, you know, just a quick menu, but you can be able to do the same thing with whatever you want it to be.